Investment funds collect capital from investors. The investment fund invests this capital in a portfolio of diverse securities or assets, which are selected according to certain criteria. The idea was first developed in the 18th century by the Dutch merchant Adriaan van Kentwich. Most investment funds define in advance which types of securities may be contained in the fund. Some funds invest in shares, others in government bonds, corporate bonds, assets such as real estate, in the money market, in alternative investments such as commodities and forward contracts, or in a mixed portfolio. Some funds have a geographic focus, while others concentrate on a certain industry or strategy. What is ultimately important is the differentiation between actively managed and passively tracking funds. In the case of actively managed funds, a fund manager reaches decisions in line with certain provisions on which securities and assets to buy, hold or sell. Within a predefined investment strategy, the manager attempts to diversify the opportunities and risks, that is, distribute the financial funds across several investments. Investors pay an annual management fee for this service. In the case of passive tracking funds, also called exchange-traded funds or ETFs, a specific index is passively tracked. For example, the German stock index DAX, the US Dow Jones, or a group of commodities. When investors buy shares in a fund, they become co-owners of the entire fund's assets. They participate in the price trends of the securities contained in the fund and have a right to claim coupons and dividend payments, as well as the possibility to sell back their shares at current repurchase prices. The value of a fund's assets is determined, if possible, on a daily basis and depends on the volume of the deposits and on the prices of the securities contained in the fund. The latter are subject to market fluctuations. One should be aware of this when buying investment fund shares. Investment funds managed by fund managers are a good investment variant for private investors and foundations that may not have time or simply do not want to constantly monitor the development of financial markets, but still want to profit from access to these markets. When selecting an investment fund, investors should carefully consider their individual priorities. Every investment is characterized by earnings opportunities, security and liquidity. Chances of higher returns usually mean higher risk or accepting longer investment periods. However, a higher risk does not automatically result in higher returns. If you want to have access to the capital invested at any time, you should invest only in liquid securities. Funds enjoy special protection because an investment fund's assets are defined as segregated assets. The money paid in by investors must be strictly separated from the assets of the capital management company and the assets of the custodian bank. Even in case of insolvency, the investment fund's assets are completely preserved.